Am I getting kicked? Oh no!
Get wrecked, you bitch! No, you
Yeah,
bastard!
get wrecked.
No! Oh, I'm soundproofing.
You need soundproofing?
Soundproof walls.
Use your, yeah, there we go.
No!
Get wrecked, bitch!
You get wrecked.
Ah!
No!
Yes!
Again! Again!
Wrecked.
Oh my god.
Wrecked.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Ah, you face.
Chris is too prone to get hit by that, apparently.
Yeah.
No!
Oh, nice.
Fuck!
Oh my gosh, my lungs hurts. My lungs hurts.
Stop laughing.
Lungs hurt?
My lungs.
Whoa!
I literally need to proof like this whole area around, like,
Yeah.
I rage too. Oh, get wrecked, you Chris.
Am I gonna?
Are you okay now, Hankel?
Oh, I think.
As long as Chris loses, then yes.
What if I don't?
Then I will rage harder. Ah, good try, you bastard.
He's trying to win now. No, I used to have the worst time ever.
Oh my gosh, ankle,
Dick.
really?
Yes.
Really?
When in doubt, resort to dirty tricks.
Yeah.
What? Oh, I thought I was scout. What the heck? How did I mix that up?
You bastard!
He waited for you.
He did.
Oh boy.
Look at that. Look at that. He's taunting you. What are you gonna do about it?
It is.
Look at him. He's flying. You don't care.
Chris don't give a shit.
What? Ah, get wrecked!
That was $1.
Yeah, exactly.
Look how
No,
fast
fuck!
he's going. Yeah, how does he do that?
You're a fucking cheat!
You're gonna drive Hankel to start smoking and drinking at the same time.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Damn it!
Where did you go?
I'm just trying to get in the range so I can use my grapple.
Hankel's gonna get on call tomorrow, and he's not gonna have a voice.
I know. It's gonna be tomorrow.
No! No!
Hey, don't worry, he'll taunt and wait.
Yeah, fuck you! I'm running, you bastard face.
You bastard.
What? Ow! What? What? You cheater! Yeah!
I'm literally crying.
Yeah, because you're having... Ah! You bastard face! Ah!
Oh, I'm almost about to level up.
Oh.
There we go. I did random. I did random for you.
Thank you.
Whoa, what the...
Whoa.
Whoa!
Oh my god. My stomach hurts.
Breathe, Chris.
No! Ah, what did you
Because he's
go?
laughing too hard.
I can't continue.
Ah, shit face!
Ah.
What?
Huh? Oh, okay.
Yeah, you did that on purpose. Cause he...
Whoa!
No, the
You
oops, I fell.
Yeah, oops, I fell.
Ah! Yes, choke him to death.
No.
Bye, Mike.
Get him!
Damn.
Get it!
I spent too much
Get it.
time in the air.
Get him!
Ah, you bastard! What the fuck was that shit? Ah!
Hey, who wants to play Blaze Rush?
Oh.
What else? Yeah, I just used that in the sentence.
English again?
Yeah, English is
I'm
hard.
I am bad at English.
Okay.
Oh, get wrecked, you noob! Ah, shit.
Oh,
You
look,
get-
you get the
you say
molten
get
rock
wrecked,
and you get
you
boxes.
Oh, what the fuck was that? I call hacked, you bastard face. Shit, yeah. Fuck you!
Can you open the door, please? Damn it.
Yeah, damn it. No, you bitch.
What? I call hacked.
Oh.
You didn't have that hand.
Why would you open the door?
I don't know. I just missed it, I guess.
Oh, listen.
What the hell is that? Why won't you open the door?
What? Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Yeah, I need to switch my controls.
Oh, I call hacks.
Yeah, I do too. Oh!
Oh, no, you lose! Get wrecked, you noob.
Wow.
Chris, was that a mercy killing?
I don't know. I think he made a mistake and went too high.
No. The screen was already.
Bitch!
No.
Are you trying to do something? Like wait for me to get super far ahead so you can do your thing? Yeah. Oh, you didn't even hold it, you douche.
Just tumble through the air.
What the? I got knocked out anyways. No!
Bastard.
Whatever, I won one. I'm happy, I think.
You got 1 point. It's up to 3 points. The person
No,
wins.
I won one. I won one.
Ah!
Let's wait for
Ah!
Wait for Hinkle, Michael.
You guys!
Michael.
How the... What?
Look at that. I'm just playing my guitar over here.
There we go. I don't understand that shit.
Oh, I'm
you guys
still
are...
alive, man.
Ah! I get back to you, noob.
Open the door, thanks.
You're welcome.
Call you noob and then you...
Now let's go get Chris.
Actually, I can't even speak anymore.
God, this cat is so slow.
Ah!
Well, bye, fellas.
Wow!
That's bullshit! You're a fucking bastard.
I think your rage broke, Hinkle.
I have no idea my level of rage.
Michael.